imagine you put a lot of hard work into making a YouTube video. You go up there, you research it, you go up there, you edit it, you put in all your heart, your soul, your power, your passion, and you record it. You upload the video and it does okay, 100, 200, 300 views, maybe a few thousand views, but somebody takes a 20-second clip out of it, makes a YouTube short, it goes viral, that one gets millions, but you get nothing. Does that sound fair? YouTube has just implemented a change, very sneakily hiding it in the YouTube edit pages. It basically says, we allow you to sample this video, basically giving a blank check to anyone to take slices of your content and turning it into a YouTube short. Now this has been hidden and buried in the edit page of all of your videos, and it's auto turned on. There's no way to mass turn off all of the channel based on this functionality. So therefore, in my case, I have 750, 800 videos. I'd have to manually go back and tick and untick all of those. This is an opportunity for YouTube to have people generate content around your videos. Now there's something similar out there called Creative Commons licensing. When you upload a YouTube video, there's a standard license. In other words, I upload it, it's completely mine, only I can use it and only I can monetize it, full stop. But if you upload it via Creative Commons, anyone can take that video, split it up any way that they want, as long as they don't flat out upload and claim that it's them, and that Creative Commons video can live on and live on and live on. Now, if you've ever used TikTok, there's these duets and there's these samples where I can take your audio and I can lip sync over them, or I can take music and I can dance over them, or I can take your video and I can react to them. I get the strange idea that this new option, this new setting has been snuck in there, so at some point in the future you'll be able to sample not only the clips but also for shorts and make YouTube shorts out of it. Good point. This can expand the creator community if you're not willing to put your face on camera, if you're scared of creating content but you really like PewDiePie and think that you can make a fantastic YouTube short, or Mr. Beast, or myself, then you'd clip it and then you'd put it up there and you'd upload it. Brilliant for you, brilliant for YouTube, who may be able to place advertisements against that. Not so great for, say, me or PewDiePie or people like that who don't have a direct connection to that content. In fact, I have no control over that content. In theory, you could make me say anything you want. You could damage my brand. You could insinuate that PewDiePie happens to be a Nazi sympathizer, for example. Or that Mr. Beast likes killing random cows through grinders to feed Mr. Beast burgers. So the good, more content creation. The bad, lack of control and transparency. There is, however, an alternative. You can turn off the setting, go to the video, scroll down, you'll see this feature here, and you can turn it off. But now it will say that it will delete any clips of that video in any other shorts. So if your fans have made fan content for you and you click that, that's gone. Surely there should be some kind of middle ground, because then that way I don't have to hop on camera when it's absolutely freezing in this room to make a quick video before I've turned the heating on in the morning. But hey, that's just my thoughts. What do you think about this? Are you going to turn this feature on or off? Do you think that people being able to sample anyone's videos without any repercussions is a good thing or a bad thing? Or is this YouTube's way of trying to exploit user-generated content without having to, you know, have that discussion of, hi, can we let people nick your content? Hi, can we share a little bit more of your ad revenue? Because bear in mind that this goes out to anyone, whether you're monetized or not. I could steal your content tomorrow, upload it, make a YouTube short. I might be able to make some kind of money off of that, but you might not. By the way, you can watch that video if you want to make money without YouTube ads.